about where you want to be in the future, because that's what will define your life moving forward. It's the hard things in life, the things that not a lot of people want to do, that will actually make you rich. Hey guys, so we're here in Dubai. We're gonna ask other people's experiences on saving and investing. I'm gonna talk to random people. I'm a bit shy, but let's see how this goes. What inspires you to save in life? Okay, what's your favorite savings or investment? How do you do it?
I've got a certain amount from my salary that I just will take apart and put it in the jar of my goals.
Dubai is a place where people spend a lot of money. You don't get tempted to spend Dubai Mall.
Yeah, you do, but you need to control yourself. I'm here since 10 years.
Okay, wow.
First year, it was crazy.
Okay.
I was spending everything, and then slowly, you just take a bit of what you earn for your dreams and goals.
Okay.
Slowly.
Don't you feel deprived when you do that, or because you were able to enjoy a lot when you started out?
No, because my goals, I want to reach my goals, and to reach them, I need to save money. So I'm balanced between I do balance having fun and I do balance what I can spend.
Are you a risk taker?
Yes.
What's your favorite investment?
Property in Dubai.
Oh, nice. Last question. Any words of encouragement, inspiration to people watching this?
Do you have any goals to reach them? Do everything to reach your goals.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
What's nice about that is you need to learn how to save so that you get to reach also whatever goals and dreams that you have. And I like what she said also, that it's about setting aside specific amounts from what you have, because if you're faithful with little, that will allow you also to have the ability to do well also when more comes your way. People always think that you need to have a lot of money for you to be able to have a better life, for you to be able to save, for you to be able to hit your dreams and goals as well. So important also that for you to be able to reach whatever plans and dreams and goals that you have as well in life, that you save. It's not rocket science, it's more discipline, and it's more mindset, and it's more also prioritizing the future more than just looking at it from what you see today. Everyone wants to enjoy today. There's nothing wrong about enjoying today. There's nothing wrong also about living life to the full. But when you start living life to the full at the expense of tomorrow, at the expense of you having something also for the future, I think that's where it becomes harder also. Think about where you want to be in the future, because that's what will define your life moving forward. It's the hard things in life, the things that not a lot of people want to do, that will actually make you rich, that will make you have something and build something for the long term. I like what she said also, that when she came into Dubai, she spent a lot on her first year, that she didn't have any savings at the first year of her life. But what's interesting about that is learn from your experiences, you learn from the things that you actually do. And what was interesting about what she said was, because she did not get anything, she did not save anything in the first few years of her life, that was her motivation also. And please do remember this, the difference between real estate versus the stock market versus the crypto market. In the stock market, you don't need a lot of money to start. In the crypto market, you don't also need a lot of money to be able to start it. But in real estate, you need a large amount of money, especially if you take out a loan. You have to be very consistent about it. You have to be very intentional about it. You need to also be faithful to set aside a specific amount of money, because every time you take out a loan, you have to pay it. Because if you don't pay it, the bank will take away your property. If you don't pay it, it will cause more harm than good for you. That's why it's a very long. It's something that requires discipline and commitment. And that's why if you're faithful with little, you're faithful with the small amounts that you have when you're starting out, that's what will cause you also to gain the discipline, to gain the strength, to gain the experience also, to do very well also at certain times and certain facets in your life when you want to hit that goal. Always remember that the higher goals that you have, the harder the goals that you have, it will take a lot of grit and determination and grind for you to be able to do it. You need to do things that's quite opposite as compared to what everyone else is doing. And that's what I want you to get, to be able to learn from the experiences of others. And I guess that's why also I'm going to try to interview other people. It's not just about me, it's not just about you, it's about all of us growing in knowledge. It's all about us also trying to be a better version of ourselves and hearing out how other people have made it in life, hearing out how other people have had their own share of success. And we all have our own milestones also that we need to get. We all have our own targets that we want to hit. I think it's something that's fascinating because when we hear and know how other people do it, it becomes also an encouragement for us also to do better and to do the same. And I want to hear more success stories of people who have done better in their finances. Because at the end of the day, that's what this channel is all about. It's not just about information, it's not just about education, but it's also the practicality that it's not about how much you make, what situation you came from, but it's what you do with everything that's around you. If you make the most of what's around you, you maximize what you have, I really believe that you will come out on top. I really believe that it will put you in a situation where you get to live life at your own terms. And that's what investing is all about. It gives you the ability to live life at your own terms. It gives you the ability to be able to do things that are different because also you've done your work, you've also sacrificed, and you did your best also to be able to win in life. You won't be able to invest anything if you have not saved anything, or if you are not disciplined enough to be able to do the things that are hard. Always remember that every time you do the things that are hard, it will allow you also to enjoy the things that are hard to achieve, hard to do, because not everyone else is taking the time to be able to try it or do it. That's it for now. I hope you guys got a lot from this. I hope that this was something that was insightful for all of you. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.